Vocabulary terms for costume industry dyers. This video is not comprehensive. These are just some helpful words to know when talking about dye processes.
Dye stuff is a word that means a type of dye, usually in particulate form. A dye bath is the mixture of water and dye stuff that creates an environment in which you can dye a textile. You might also need to add an auxiliary chemical to that dye bath in order to make the reaction happen, depending upon the class of dye that you're using. A solution is a concentrated mixture of dye stuff and water at a much higher concentration than you intend to use in your dye bath. Mixing a dye into solution allows you to fully dissolve that powdered dye stuff before you add the solution to your dye bath. Substrate is a scientific term that you might see in textile science textbooks, and it refers to the garment or textile to be dyed. Sizing is a protective coating that's applied to the yarns of a fabric before it is knitted or woven. Sizing can inhibit the absorption of the dye into the fiber. So you ideally should scour the sizing out of the fabric or the garment before you dye it. Finishes are treatments that are applied after the fabric has been woven or knitted, and they impart some sort of desirable quality to that fabric, like wrinkle resistance, odor resistance. But from a dyer's perspective, they're not good things to have because they often also will impede the efficacy of the dye in bonding with the fiber. If you can scour out the finish, great. Some finishes, especially like wrinkle resistance, are very difficult to get out with the tools and chemicals that we have available to us in a theatrical shop. PFD is an abbreviation for the phrase prepared for dyeing. And when you see a garment or fabric yardage that has been labeled PFD, that means that it doesn't have any sizing, it doesn't have any finish. It's in a state where the fibers are most open to reacting with dye stuff. Uptake refers to the amount of dye that bonds with a substrate in the dye process. So if something has sufficient uptake, it has reacted with enough dye to be the color that you want it to be. Leveling refers to the evenness of the uptake. So a level dye job is not variegated. It is very uniform in color throughout the yardage or the garment. By contrast, modeling refers to the unevenness of the uptake. Modeled garments have more visual depth under stage lights than level dyed garments. Wash fast refers to a dye's ability to remain bonded with the fabric in the laundering process. When I notice that we have poor wash fastness on a particular costume that's being used in a show at the theater where I work, I will plan to re-dye that garment throughout the run of the show, depending on how many shows there will be. Lightfast refers to the dye's ability to remain bonded to the fiber in the presence of bright light, sunlight, bright stage lights, etc. When unbonded dye rubs off of a dyed garment onto another piece of fabric or a piece of furniture, that's referred to as crocking. Usually, if a dyed garment begins crocking dye onto other surfaces, it means that that dyed garment was not sufficiently laundered after the dye process to remove all of the unbonded dye. Those are some useful initial terms to know when talking about dye processes in the context of theatrical production and costume making.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications of new content, and join me every Thursday afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern for my live studio stream.